It's time to get dirty. We're replacing the muffler packing on a Husqvarna dirt bike. This job is similar for all 4-stroke machines. To remove the end cap on this bike, find the correct Torx head. Remove all of the end cap fixings. Use a large flat head screwdriver to separate the end cap from the black muffler housing. There's a little friction due to the rubber seal that's set between the cap and the housing. Take your time and be careful not to damage the end of the muffler housing. Watch me locate and pick the end of the seal out. Take care to keep it in one piece. You will reinstall it later. That's the seal removed. Remove the end cap. Using pliers. Remove the old muffler packing slowly in a single piece. I purchased the OEM muffler packing from the dealer to make this job simple. The OEM packing makes installation very simple. Ease the new packing into the muffler housing. Retrieve the installation tube. And refit the end cap. You may need to tap it in with a rubber hammer, but leave a small gap between the housing and the end cap to allow you to refit the rubber seal. Fix one end of the rubber seal between the cap and housing. I pushed the end in with a flat head screwdriver. Stretch the seal round the end cap to ensure full coverage. Fix the other end of the seal using a screwdriver. Tap the end cap into its final position using a rubber hammer. The seal should roll into position. Refit the fixing bolts as shown. Congratulations! You did it! Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe for more videos like this one. Stay dirty.